how to fix this error, how failed to connect with database. Currently we used Serverpod 1.10 and we just fetch this error after recreating our application with same name. It's worse error because I have never found any problem with this on latest versions, but currently it works so bad. And how to fix it? I have fixed it using just some Docker commands. We can check this, and after running we just run in main Dart and we will fetch error, failed to connect. This problem exists because all of SQL queries doesn't work in Serverpod in this version 1.1.1, and for this we need to create table in Docker, because after recreating a project we have create bad config for database, and currently we need to use these commands. And second flow, I will leave links in description below, and all of you need just copy this query and use it only in your folder, name of your project and server. Okay, paste this and container. If you're talking about container, you can check container name and Postgres, and we need just replace this name cappuccino server Postgres 1. Okay, generate. And second one, we need just use this command and replace database name, also this name like your project. In Docker you can check this in progress, use inspect and check name of DB. My DB named cappuccino and we replaced cappuccino. And after this we need just replace container cappuccino server Postgres 1 and just remove this sign of dollar. Nice. Syntax error. We just okay, and after this we can run Dart Docker compose up build detach. Okay, missed space. Okay, and after this we need to run Dart win Dart. And after this we can check our host local host and it works. Thanks for watching.